Hi, welcome to this week's video. I'm James.
And I'm Sophie. And this is our dog Rolo.
Come join us as we explore the UK in our van Toby.
We love paddleboarding, hiking and all things van life.
If you're new around here, like and subscribe.
We hope you enjoy this video. Hi guys! It's Friday night, it's 8 o'clock and we're currently pulled up in a petrol station and we're heading to the North Yorkshire Dales. It's about a 2-hour drive from us, so we're not going to get there till like gone 10. So hopefully we find a decent park up, but yeah, we'll see where we end up. So we made it to our park up. We pulled in about 10:30. I'll show you in the morning.
So we'll catch you in the morning if you're still watching.
Bye, Felicia.
So we got here late last night. We are just parked in a little dip over there. Turned out quite a cool park up. We are about 8 miles from Settle, which is where our walk is today. We did get neighbours late last night, but they were really quiet. We'll walk you down to the van now and show you the park up where we stopped last night.
So this is where I was parked, as you can see. We had neighbours. We're just filming a little bit away from the van because it is quite early still. So yeah, it was a nice little park up, and like James said earlier, we didn't hear him even pull up. We thought their diesel heater was our fridge, so... So that walk started with a bit of a incline.
Yeah, so we've just walked through the village. We parked in Ashfield car park. It was £4.80 for the day. So today we are doing the Settle Caves and Waterfall Circular. It's about 12 kilometres just over.
I voted to do the climb first. We'll see how we feel about this.
Do you think we'll moan less if we do the climb first?
I just feel like we've been doing videos and we've...
That just means we'll moan for longer.
Yeah, probably.
Well, doing too. I'm much happier today. There's lots of good pubs to stop at on the way back. So we will be making use of the local facilities.
We like a good pub. So James has found us a park up for tonight. It looks really cool, doesn't it?
Yeah. We won't say where exactly it is yet. We'll keep you in suspense.
I have a concern that it might be a dogging spot. Just saying. So if it is, I've called it.
If it is, good content.
So we'll see where we end up tonight.
Might be a different sort of video. Road walking now.
Yeah. It's a very inclining walk. Like, I'm regretting my decision.
Yeah,
but...
yeah, I think we've got out climbing in first. Well, we've done about 2 kilometres now.
Climbing up to Jubilee Cave now. So yeah, let's go see what we can find. Hey.
So this is Jubilee Cave. It's quite cool inside. You sort of, there's a bit to navigate around in. It's quite small, but all joins, that bit joins to that, and then it looks like there's some holes in top, you can see light coming through.
Yeah, worth the detour.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Too dark.
Yeah. It's cool.
Oh wow.
This must be Victoria. I think that last one's wet here and this is Victoria Cave.
Oh, my hair's looking a bit wild.
Yeah. So I'm sure by this point you think we've done nothing but moan about the climbing, but it's definitely been worth it. There's a lot to see on this walk.
Yeah, there's loads to see. It's really pretty. It's been really quiet. I don't know if it's the day we've picked, but we've crossed a few people. But
Everyone's spread out.
yeah, it's really nice. I can't believe that cave. It's so cool.
Yeah. So we've just been walking out of this cave, and I said to Sophie, "Look at that rock trap there." She said, "What's a rock trap?" I said, "Something that catches rocks." So here's the rock that's trapped that I was on about. So, as you can tell by the state of Sophie's hair, it's been quite a challenging walk.
It's just been like a steady, not so steady incline the majority of the way. Quite muddy as well. But we're on a road for a little bit and we're heading towards the waterfall. What's the waterfall called?
I think it's called Scaleber Force.
Come to the conclusion that our walks always end up longer because James gets us lost. We've just walked by a gate. Yeah, but you're the navigator. Like literally, James is in charge of navigating us.
Until you start referring to me as the navigator, then I'm not taking the blame. So that's settle over there. We're just going to drop back down in there. Feel like I can almost see the pub. Can maybe touch it.
I reckon you could put your finger on it if you like hovered it.
I don't know which one it is though.
Are you happy now?
I am. We then left the Yorkshire Dales and drove about 90 minutes to our park up near Ripon, which we'll show you in the morning.
My first thoughts of pulling up to this was, has James brought me to a dogging spot? But we were safe, so much to James's disappointment.
We thought this park was going to be a bit better than it was last night. It was quite close to a main road.
Rolo's enjoying the leaves.
Ended up not being too bad. It quieted down later on, but it's quite nice being able to walk around the woods this morning.
So we're at the Swinton estate, and actually when we got here we realised that's part of the woods what was in this morning where we camped. So yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, we're doing the Druze Temple short walk. That's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah, so all these were like a sign of wealth, so although they look old, they're actually not that old really, so we'll take you with us.
As Sophie mentioned, these structures are not as old as they appear.
Less than 200 years old, they are follies created as a way to aid unemployment.
However, this doesn't stop the area from having a mystical atmosphere.
It's really cool, but I just think it's so random that building rocks to look old was a thing.
Short people problems. Good.
We started off just thinking we'd come for a little walk and look at those like rocks, but actually look at the view, it's amazing. There's like a little bench at the top what we're sat on. This looks onto the plantation and it's just really, really nice actually.
Yeah, we'll probably have a bit more of a wander around, won't we?
Yeah, see what we can do.
Just been sat on a bench up there looking at this view. Be an awesome picnic spot, wouldn't it?
Yeah. The woods, and it's actually quite nice, isn't it? We were just saying.
Yeah, like a change, isn't it? It's a nice steady stroll. It's nice being among trees.
Yeah, we're not rushing around. We've got no where to be today, so we're just going to chill out.
Moaning a lot less than normal than yesterday.
Yeah, because there's less frigging incline, honestly. Yesterday, I was like, oh, let's have a steady walk. That was not a steady walk yesterday, James. This is a steady walk. This. So yeah, let's go see what we can find.
I normally wait till it's too late to tell you.
Yeah, you do that. It's a bit annoying, actually. Forests like this always remind me of like little fairy woods. Don't know. Just does. You know what I mean? Like fairy woods. Yeah. Is that a thing?
In your imagination.
Yeah, I feel like there'd be little fairies hanging around. So we're taking a detour off route from our casual little walk. Now we've got a mile trek down, which is fine, but it also means I'm gonna have to come back up later. That's your fault.
If you made it this far, thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.